How to delete invite message on Instagram. So if you want to delete invite message on Instagram, then first let's open up the Instagram application. And once you've opened, you can simply go for your message, which will be on the upper right. And here, if you've sent an invite message, then you can simply open up that chat. And once you open your chat here, you will have your invite message, right? So if you want to delete the invite message, then you can simply tap and hold on to that message. And here you will have unsend message. But if you don't have that unsend message, then what you have to do is simply go for their profile and then go for more option. And here you need to block that person. So block, and once you've blocked, you can go back, and here on the bottom right you will have delete option. So simply tap on delete and tap on delete again, and that's it. That's how you delete the invite message on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.